In this video I will show you easiest way to log out of your Discord account on both your computer or phone. If you're having trouble signing out, this guide will help you navigate through the app and sign out of your account smoothly. First, let's look in desktop. This is my Discord account login into my PC. To log out this account, just click on gear icon at bottom left corner. On the left pane at the bottom you will find log out. Click on it. In this pop-up, click on Logout button to log out this account from PC. Now let's look how to do this in your mobile. These steps works for both Android as well as iOS. You can see I am opening Discord and I found my account is already login. To log out, follow these steps. Click on profile icon at bottom. Then click on setting icon at the top. Scroll down and then click on logout link. You will get pop-up, click on logout and you will find this account is successfully logged out. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.